Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to have the same Google Authenticator on two devices. This is really useful when you want to access your accounts from multiple phones or if you're setting up a backup device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, grab the device that already has Google Authenticator set up with all your accounts. Open the Google Authenticator app on this device and make sure you're logged into your account. This is the device that contains all the two-factor authentication codes you want to transfer to your second device. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-bar menu icon, which is commonly known as the hamburger menu. Tap on this icon to reveal your Google Authenticator settings window. This menu gives you access to various options for managing your authenticator codes and account settings. From the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Transfer Codes and tap on it. This feature is specifically designed to help you move your authentication codes between devices securely. It's what makes syncing your authenticator across multiple phones possible without having to manually re-add every single account. After tapping on transfer codes, you'll be presented with two different options for transferring your codes. The first option is import codes, and the second is export codes. Now, this is where it's important to understand which device you're using. Since you're currently on the device that already has the codes, you'll want to select Export Codes. This will generate a QR code that contains all your authentication information. On your second device, the one where you want to add the same Google Authenticator codes, open the Google Authenticator app as well. Follow the same steps by tapping the three-bar menu icon in the top left corner, then selecting Transfer Codes. However, this time on the second device, you'll choose Import Codes instead. Once you select Import Codes on your second device, it will activate your camera to scan a QR code. Now, take your first device, the one displaying the QR code after selecting Export Codes, and hold it up so the second device can scan it clearly. Make sure the QR code is well lit and centered in the camera frame for the best results. After successfully scanning the QR code, all your Google Authenticator codes will automatically sync to your second device. This means both devices will now generate the same authentication codes at the same time, giving you the flexibility to use either device when logging into your accounts. And there you have it. You've now synced your Google Authenticator across two devices, making your two-factor authentication much more convenient and secure. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.